Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install traceroute on Linux. So in order to do it, of course, we have to go into our terminal, so we will press on show apps and open our terminal. And how to do it? I will do it on the Ubuntu distribution, so if you are on a different distribution it might not work, but I think on Debian it should work, on Kali Linux it should work, on Fedora I guess no, but you can check and you can try. In order to do it, of course, if you will try to use traceroute right now, as you can see it is not working. Traceroute command basically is used to feed the exact path of our packet into a network that we are sending. So for example, if I want to feed the packet from my computer, the path of my packet from my computer to the destination host, I will use the traceroute command. It's really helpful. So right now we will install it and I will show you that. And how to install it, as you can see, traceroute is not found. You have two options: sudo apt-install traceroute or sudo apt-install inetutils-traceroute. I will maybe choose the second one. It doesn't really matter, both will work. So sudo apt-install traceroute and enter. And of course we have to type in our password. And now we have to wait a bit. It's really important to know that traceroute is not installed by default, so you might not have it. And right here I install it, and as you can see, traceroute --version it is working. It's a traceroute for Linux version 2.1.5. If you want to know how to use it, I made a video how to use it and how this command works. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.